Hi students, welcome back to our new school year. I'm Miss Vaughan and I'm going to give you an overview of what you can expect in my class. When I'm not at school, I'm usually spending time with my three girls, Catherine, Brennan, and Klein. Catherine's a rising sophomore at Plant, and Brennan and Klein are going into 5th and 3rd grade. This is our Rhodesian Ridgeback, Kenya. He looks deceptively small in this photo, but he's actually a very big boy. And we are Seminoles. I was born and raised in Tallahassee, and I went to FSU for undergrad and graduate school, so I love to root for the Noles. When I am at Plant, this is what my schedule looks like. I teach 3 courses, Literature and the Arts 2, AP Literature, and AP Capstone Seminar. The best way to contact me is through our new academic portal, Canvas. This is our new method of assigning work, accepting student work submissions, and exchanging communication between parent, student, and teacher. There will be some training for parents and students on the Canvas app when that becomes available at the start of the school year. My email address is also listed here, and I use Remind text alerts for all 3 of my courses. The first course I'll talk about is Literature and the Arts 2, also known as Folklore. This is a 1-semester elective course, and I have 9th grade through 12th grade students in this class. All work will be assigned and submitted through Canvas, so the most important supply that students need is a computer. When they're in the classroom, a laptop will be provided, but when students are working from home, they'll need access to a computer. And then they'll need a folder dedicated to our class, paper, pens, markers, and highlighters. Our Remind join code is listed here. So you'll want to send a text message to the number 81010, and the subject of that message should be at AE24KAA. I'm encouraging all students and parents to sign up for the Remind text alerts so that you'll always be aware when we have a due date or something important coming up. Next, I'll talk about AP Capstone Seminar. This is a year-long interdisciplinary AP course for 10th grade students. This is the first in a 2-year program. So sophomores will take AP Seminar, juniors are taking AP Research, and the students who pass the College Board exam for both of those courses earn the prestigious AP Capstone Diploma. For this class, all work will be assigned and completed through Canvas, Turnitin.com, and Office 365. The supplies that students need are, again, most importantly, a computer, and we'll use the laptops in class daily. Students are welcome to bring their own laptop if they have a personal laptop, but there will be one provided in the classroom. And then for personal use, a folder, paper, pens, highlighters, and sticky notes are also necessary. Our Remind join code is listed here. And our Turnitin code is here. So if you don't already have a Turnitin account, a lot of sophomores haven't used this before, you just need to go to Turnitin.com and create an account using your email address and your chosen password, and then click the button to enroll in a new course. And then you'll be prompted to put in this class ID and this password, Seminar, all lowercase. This is where you'll submit our major papers throughout the year. Lastly, the AP Seminar exam is Tuesday, May 11th. Okay, so next I'll address AP Lit. This is your 12th grade English course. All work in this class will be assigned and submitted through Canvas, Turnitin.com, and Office 365. Again, for supplies, you need a laptop daily. I'll provide one in the classroom, but most of my seniors, or many of my seniors, have their own laptop and they bring it to school every day. So if that's the case, you'll be using that really frequently from home. You'll use your laptop for a lot of our work that you do that's assigned for homework. And then you'll also want a folder, notebook paper, pens, highlighters, and sticky notes for personal use. Our Remind join code is listed here. And your Turnitin.com class ID and password are here. Seniors is in all lowercase. And most importantly for AP Lit, to get started with our school year, you need to be ready to address the novel you read for the summer reading assignment, A Thousand Splendid Suns. We'll have a couple of days of work with this novel, including discussion, an essay, an assignment you'll turn into turnitin.com, and a test. So if you haven't already finished the novel, focus on that right now and try to make your way through the novel before the start of the school year. If you read the novel much earlier in the summer, now would be a good time to reread or review what you read so that you're ready for those assessments that will happen at the very beginning of the year. And lastly, our AP Lit exam for Lit is Wednesday, May 5th. So that's all. I look forward to meeting you all on the first day of school, and you'll get lots more information at that time. But if you join our class through Remind, you can go ahead and send me any questions you may have at this point. Otherwise, I will see you when we start back to school.